Morning, all of you. Hope you all are fine, beta. Let's do the remaining assignments of chapter number 3. Why did Margie's mother feel sad and worried? What did she do? See, beta, Margie's mother she felt very sad and worried because when she came to know that Margie was not performing well in geography and she was scoring low, she got very tense. She was very worried, as every mother wants her daughter or her child to be good in studies. So that's why she was very worried, as she was not able to understand why Margie was performing low. That's why she was worried and sad also. What did she do? She called for the county inspector. Now, who's county inspector, beta? He's the mechanical, you can say, mechanic of the robot of the teacher, Margie's teacher, who came to repair his teacher. Okay. Now she called for the county inspector. Called for का मतलब होता है उसे बुलाना, to know the reason, why Margie was performing low, and hence giving solution to the problem. And that's why how she solved the problem of Margie. I hope you are clear with this. Let's move on to question number 10. Who was county inspector? You are supposed to describe the man over here. What did he do with the mechanical teacher? और उसने मार्गी का मैकेनिकल टीचर जो रोबोट टीचर था उसके साथ क्या किया? काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर वॉज अ राउंड लिटिल मैन विद अ रेड फेस. उसका फेस काफ़ी रेड था. विद अ बॉक्स ऑफ टूल्स विद डायल्स एंड वायर्स इन इट. उसके उसके बीच में क्या थे? बहुत सारे डायल्स और वायर्स थे जो एक मैकेनिक के पास नॉर्मली होते हैं बेटा. ही टुक द मैकेनिकल टीचर अपार्ट. उसने थोड़ी देर के लिए मैकेनिकल टीचर को अलग किया एंड सेट इट राइट टू एन एवरेज ऑफ 10 years ओल्ड लेवल. और उसको क्या कर दिया? 10 साल के बच्चे 10 years का बच्चा है. अगर मार्गी की एज 11 है, सो 1 year आपकी एज क्या होती है बेटा? बिलो ही करते हैं. सपोज यू आर 14 to 15 years, तो आपका जो स्टडी मटीरियल होगा वो 13 to 14 के बीच में ही रहेगा. So that's why he adjusted the level to a 10-year-old level. And in this way, he solved Margie's problem. Now, why did Tommy scream with laughter? स्क्रीम का मतलब होता है वो क्यों चिल्ला के हंस पड़ा. सी बेटा, when Margie could not understand the old school teacher, and when she said that she does not want a real man to come in his house to teach her, then Tommy screamed with laughter. When Margie could not understand the old school teacher and told that she would not want a strange man in her house to teach her, then Tommy screamed with laughter. तभी वो हंस पड़ा because Margie thought that a single teacher will come to every child's house to teach them, but she was unaware that students have to go to a special building called school where all the students were taught by a single teacher. That's why he screamed with laughter. Now, how was the old book different, beta? See, they used to read telebooks, and the old book was different because the words were printed and still on the page even after being turned. ओके. अगर वो टर्न भी करोगे पेजेस को, जैसे आपकी बुक्स हैं बच्चे, तो आप टर्न करो तो द वर्ड्स रिमेन द सेम ऑन द पेज, वेयर एज द वर्ड्स आर मूविंग ऑन द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन. जो बच्चे टेली बुक से पढ़ते हैं बेटा, ऑनलाइन पढ़ते हैं, उनके क्या होते हैं? उनके वर्ड्स मूविंग होते हैं एंड दे हैव टू सर्च फॉर द पेज इन केस दे वांट टू री ओपन इट. बट आपके साथ तो क्या, आप जब भी बुक उठाई आपको सेम ही वर्ड्स मिलेंगे ना. दैट्स हाउ द ओल्ड बुक वॉज डिफरेंट. Now, how do the children of 22nd century get and do their homework? The next century that is supposed to come now, the children of 22nd century get their homework on the screen, as they have online classes, they have telebooks with them. They had to put their homework in a slot. उनको एक स्लॉट में क्या होता है, अपना होमवर्क डालना होता है. राइटिंग देम आउट इन अ पंच कोड. जैसे आपको बेटा अल्फ़ाबेट्स सिखाए थे छोटे होते, उनको एक पंच कोड सिखाते हैं बेटा, जो कंप्यूटर की लैंग्वेज होती है. सो दे हैड टू राइट देयर वर्क इन पंच कोड एंड देन सबमिट इन अ स्लॉट. Okay, and marks were calculated for them in no time. So you can say that they are having telebooks and robotic teacher, and they were getting the same work like machines. Now justify the title of the story, beta. The title of the story is The Fun They Had. You are supposed to learn the name of the chapter as well as the writer, bache, because in extract 4 marks or extract is there, and anything can come in that extract. Okay. Besides, you are having multiple choice questions also, and that will be helpful. So the name of chapter is The Fun They Had, and written by Isaac Asimov. Now the title is appropriate, The Fun They Had, because the children students of olden times, they laughed together, they shouted and sat together in the schoolroom, they learned the same things and left together at the end of the day. As you people come to school together in a van, you people sit together, you people learn together, you people laugh together, you people share things together. Okay, and you leave the school at the time of departure at the same time. In this way, you people enjoy your school. So they're talking about the children are time children. Okay, that's why you can say that they learn the same things and left together at the end of the day. In this way, they enjoyed their school and learned everything without any stress. See, if you have any problem, you can contact your human teacher, like we. Okay, like we teachers. So we can make you understand your problem, and you can clarify your doubts as well. So you can say the children of olden times or our times, of our present time, are getting proper education through human teachers, bache. So title is appropriate, as children have fun in the school. I'm sure you might be missing your school definitely, as you are also getting online classes these days. Beta, take care of yourself and write the above question answers in your fair notebook and learn them too. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Have a nice day.